Guys, my name is Vadim Garbuzov, and on behalf of Stay Realty, I wanted to present to you the Sawmill Co-op. This is affordable housing for families. Over 70 units available. There are studios, there are one-bedroom apartments. Some of the prices starting just over $1,000, so well below market value. This is a great neighborhood with European style, kind of like Scandinavian style visuals. So quality living and a very friendly neighborhood with a playground. Part of the amenities here is a great children's playground in the middle of two buildings of the same kind. Generally, if you go that way, it will be Marine Drive, and it's about a 10 to 15 minute drive to the SkyTrain station, Marine Drive SkyTrain station. So this whole place is not far away from office districts like, for example, Marine Landing on Manitoba Street. And just walk with me a little bit here, because it's a beautiful European style lawn. Generally, the things that are good here, it's first of all the price, the sustainability, the proximity to SkyTrain station and other office hubs. So it's limited availability. That's why I would urge you to contact Stay Realty and get a spot in this beautiful European Scandinavian style co-op building.